only sell by case pack. 1,000 C7s, 500 C9s. Clips come in case pack of 2,000. We're really not structured for the homeowner. We can help out the local business here in Omaha. We can make exceptions here, and we can be aggressive here. But again, this is HLM's backyard. Let's own it. Hey, from HLM, we move millions of bulbs every year. This is where we do it at. This is where the magic happens. Directly to you, you order online, this is what it is coming from. This is our storage facility. This is where we ship our packages out to you. You buy it online, you pay for your shipping, and the next day it ships out to you. This is where the magic happens.